Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me, Vonleshia DeShai, and I am the founder of Don Diva Branding, where we help entrepreneurs on a budget build better brands. So today we're going to talk about multiple streams of income. Typically when you hear that, you think I'm still trying to get it together for this one stream. We're going to show you, or I'm going to show you, how to create multiple streams of income within your existing business. So if you want to know more, stick around, because here it goes. Okay guys, so the first way is obviously going to be your product or service that you already offer. So if you are a photographer, if you are a makeup artist, a hairstylist, you have a cleaning business, that service that you offer is going to be your first stream, your first way, multiple way of creating income. That's your first one, okay? And that's your foundation, okay? So that's number one. Here's number two. Okay guys, way number two is going to be, and I kind of bundled these up into one way, it's going to be teaching classes and consulting. So you can think about, if you're a photographer, you may want to have a lighting class, okay? If you are a makeup artist, you can teach others how to apply their makeup or teach about getting into the makeup business. Personal trainers, teaching, okay? You can create a consulting part of your business where you teach other entrepreneurs how to do what you're doing. So that's another stream. We've already got two. On to number three. Okay guys, we're on to way number three. We're going to talk about digital products, ebooks. So let's say you have a catering business. You can have recipes, you can have different things that you sell directly on your website. So now you have your services, you may teach a cooking class a certain amount of times a month, and then you have things that people can download, 3 different ways. Ebooks where you may write a book about, personal trainers or fitness, exercising, equipment. If you're a photographer, you may have something on your website where people can download to learn about lighting. You want to set yourself up. Digital and ebooks, that is one of the major ways to make money in your sleep. On to way number four. We're on to way number four, and if you are enjoying this content and this information that we're giving, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and hit the bell button so that you can get notifications when we post videos weekly. Now, way number four, memberships. Now, this is different than classes and consulting, teaching. Memberships is going to be something where people can pay on a monthly basis to get information from you, to network. You may have a group of people that pay anywhere from $5 to $20 a month, and you post exclusive content within that group. This is a great way to make money. It's a great way to create residual income for yourself and to create another stream of income within your existing business. Way number five. Okay guys, our final way is going to be events, pop-ups. And now, what this is say you have a service or product. You want to be finding trade shows, events where you can go set up a booth and sell. This is another way to make income. So you have your existing sales that you may be getting, bookings that you may be getting, but then you do events where you can then get deposits or sell products. If you sell clothing or whatever tangible product you sell, that's another stream of monthly income. So what I would suggest is looking and doing a few events, if you can, a month. And those are our ways, okay? Products, teaching, digital, memberships, and events and pop-ups. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, I'm Vonleshia DeShai, and this is Don Diva Branding. And I want you to remember to please like, comment, and subscribe. Tell someone about our channel, and we'll see you back here next week.